Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to prevent a patient from sliding down in a hospital bed. This particular hospital bed is a Hill-Rom, but this method should work with any hospital bed. So my mom, who has generously volunteered, and she's hiding her face now because I requested her to, is a short person, and she has been sliding down in the bed constantly. And we'd have to use this green tool here to pull her up back, and then she'd slide back down. I'm shocked because we were at a hospital for over 3 weeks, and the nurses didn't even know this method until we went to this new hospital. She kept sliding down. So the only thing you have to do to prevent that is once you get your patient up to the head level to where you need it to be, you put them in the sitting position. So as you can see here on this Hill-Rom specifically, you got all the different positions. You know, you got like the washboard position, and you got the laying down position, and different positions here. What you do is you put them in the sitting position, and we'll go ahead and push that. And as you can see there, that is going to prevent, see there with the feet going down? So basically you're going like this. Their butt is basically buried down in the center. And now you don't have to worry about the patient continuing to slide down. All right, I hope that helped some people that's in the hospital with their loved one. May God bless you and your loved one, and hope that you get out soon with perfect recovery. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.